some love. Still over here tonight, I wanna shout you up. So intro on me, April shower now. Now I'm over here when I shout you out. I say your name with some love. Still over here when I shout you up. BB urban, homestead and lifestyle. Intro over here when I stand there like a style. I like it everybody with the intro. Still I'm over here that said I guess I won't go. The Lisa J stock over here. The intro over here when I see you near. I see you over here and I feel so proud. Still I'm over here and y'all driving me wild. Send the intro over here. The people's over here that send the intro for them. Send the intro on them. Oh yes, I put you all in the DM. Send the intro on them. Let everybody see you with the intro on them. The intro on them. The people's over here with the intro on them. And entrepreneur diary Shamika. Yes, it's Shamika. Oh yes, on the Neva. I see you when the intro with the song. Yes, I'm over here, put you up on a song. DJ 44 Synergy hype. Still over here when the intro is tight. Type over here and we fight for what's right. People's over here saying what is right. Just the intro when I say your name. Name over here when I put it in the game. Game is over here and you say we got the fame. When I say your name, everybody's in the game. Intro, oh when I say with the intro, I put your name over here on the intro. Everybody saying yes with the intro. Let's get some more night up on the intro. Send a venom intro. I'm seeing you when you're seeing on the intro. Now I'm over here saying on the intro. People talking about saying yes, I'm on the intro. Marina Latrina, see you on the intro, trying to know ya. Now we in the red light just for ya. Now we in the intro just to get ya. Official 1SP on the intro. Everybody up on that intro. Miss Aisha in the house. So Miss Aisha will be rock from the south saying, Saying that yes, I'm on the intro. Everybody saying that yes, I'm on the intro. Talking about it, yes, we on the intro. Everybody having fun on the intro. Saying that yes, we on the intro. Yes, I am the J, putting you down in the intro. Saying that yes, I'm on the intro. Let's get into this. Name on the intro. Stronny Johnny with the name on the intro. Like with the Sherry, your name on the intro. Good did you read when I say it on the intro? Panama City, name on the intro. Hey, send the most new soul up on the intro. Yeah, we got soul. Talking about Daniel Wilkerson too. Put you on the intro. This is what I do. When I see Miss Kim Bling Bar now, put you on the intro, yes we getting down. Blinking over here when we hit that ground. People just a blinking for you right now saying, hey, putting you on the intro. Everybody put your name on the intro. Then I put you on the intro. Everybody get your name on the intro. Send a nigga 13. Put your name on the intro. Just for me. Got the crooked piece too. Over here on the intro with me. Got the Rob all bang on the intro. Jesse over there. Oh, Jesse, he's a hero. Talking about the people's on the intro. Trail Wells over here. Yes, I'm on the intro. Rob again with the name on the intro. Yes, I'm over here. Name on the intro. Got a Calico 916. Put it on the intro. When we in the mix saying, hey. Saying that yes, I'm on the intro. Everybody name on the intro. When I say your name on the intro, let's have some fun on the intro. Miss T with the T, name on the intro, just with me. Now see the geeky girl journal on it. On the intro when we wanna own it. DT Ho 23 TV, 7 dust in the intro on the B. T double P popcorn in the house. 6 boat is back, oh yes we getting down. Keisha A stay blessed on the intro. People saying yes, oh on the intro. Still over here saying that yes I want more. Putting everybody name on the intro. On the intro, saying that yes I got dough. People saying yes when the J wanna flow. Putting everybody 30 names on the show. Putting all your name on my intro. Saying hey, putting you on my my intro. Everybody name on my intro. Showing their love on my intro. Everybody got the name on the intro.